these frames are like cut out, so you need to, of course, you need to be an angle. Otherwise, and when you do this, then you just don't start doing one corner at a time. You do it like a little at a time. Ja, du gør det mange gange. 4 gange. Okay. Because if it's, then you have to knock it out again. So if you want to later work on a window factory, then maybe this is also good. So?
Fun fact, I actually used to work at a window factory.
Yeah, you did?
So Martin can do this with his eyes closed. He still it doesn't have to be like on the millimeter, but it's not completely out of Okay, and then you have cut the canvas to the size and then plus the 5 centimeters. Now this is not so good because it has been lying like folded.
Yes.
They don't have to be, but then you can see the size of it.
Yeah.
So, you want this to be to sit first. You start if you have like a horizontal one like this, and you start on the long side. And also you have like a pliers for doing it, but I don't like doing it. What? Så har du sådan en tang, sådan en spændetang, så tit så bliver det sådan.
Jeg kommer altid til at vide i træet eller
Yeah.
jeg vil vise sådan noget. You know what I mean?
I stretch it.
Yes.
So I'm using a lot of like hand up, but det skal nok få det. Det er lidt, it's not good because it has been folded. Okay, then you start over here, and then you say, you take this side, so you say 1, and then you take this one afterwards, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the. You can, yeah, because you need to work on diagonals all the time. stop here already because I need space to scribble around with the corners. Here's some of the yolks. Ret aften rundt. Hvis de der ligger foldet, hvad? Kæft, de er bare mandags. Mandags.
Argumenterer på, den er meget artikulatisk.
Doesn't matter if I'm doing this by now. This is actually wrong. This is 5 and 6, so I need to go for the corner that doesn't have any ones. Fordi jeg begynder at skrive de der tal. Arbejder jo ikke diagonalt.
No, but it's no.
I should have written those.
Looks beautiful.
Now this is okay, and then the corners. No one can do the corners the first 20 times in the line, but you need to have stretch this way, and then you need to make a nice fold. So, and you only want to have a fold on one side, so you need this one side to be without a fold. You want bending in like this.
What? Oh my god, classy.
Crazy, man.
So have in mind. That look classy.
Ja.
And that's the hard part. The other part is easy. So this is, and people doing like, you see corners like this because people don't know what to do, but they need to do like this. This way, fold in, open, fold in again.
That's really good, Morten. I'm extremely impressed.
Yeah, like that?
Yes.
I don't know if
No, I've never made that before.
Now Mybert is trying.
Yeah, because
Remember to film Mybert now because this is.
No, but it's if you have been sewing, you do know a little bit about it, I think. Can you do it?
I believe in you, Mabel.
But Number 2 is
Det er
difficult.
fordi, du skal folde den ud igen, når du har foldet den. Jamen, det går nok. Du skal
Okay.
have holdt den, du havde lavet.
Okay.
Og så skal du sørge for, at den er... Du ikke
Ja.
har noget juks. Ja.
Jeg har et spørgsmål,
Ja.
vi har. Det er fordi, vores computer over i smækker er gået i stykker, så vi kan ikke høre musik.
Du kan bare tage den ud.
Må jeg godt låne den? Det var
Nej.
det, jeg spørgsmål.
Men det koster. Det
Jeg
koster
vil-
dancake.
koster ringe.
Det koster dancake.
Det koster ringe.
Altså, citronmålen er lidt noget,
Ringe.
det koster ikke.
Hvad?
Pas på en i byen.
Now it's already folded so much that it's... Husk lige, når den starter, så skal vi skrue op på den, fordi den starter på helt vildt lavt.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, almost, can I think? Almost right, you need to fold this a little bit more. But the first thing my way does, right, that was right like this, and then she's in trouble. Then you pull out here, fold it in, like you did, and like this. It has to be, if it has to be perfect, then you have it, that line here, right? So. When it looks easy, it's done by a professional.
Yeah.
Det var Martin.
Yeah. Mange tak.
Okay, what are the prices if I'm gonna go to make and I'll just take stuff? Your mobile pay the school.
No, you have. I give you this if you want to make a canvas with the frames.
What's the biggest you can make?
1 meter times 1 meter. Jeg har ikke større. Og jeg har nogle 1 meter gange 1 meter med kryds. Sådan at det er, den må jo faktisk
Det er extra good.